Good morning. Today we are in IJmuiden. Today I'm gonna do something really fun. I'm gonna do a cruise of sorts. I'm gonna embark a really old Navy vessel, the Her Majesty Naaldwijk, and we are going to sail to Rotterdam. There she is, the former Her Majesty the Naaldwijk, and yeah, I'm so excited to get on. Yeah, the Naaldwijk is a long time in service. Not anymore, but it had like a little bit of a rocky past because it went in and out of service like a lot. Enough about that. Let's walk to the ship. On 5 November 1955, this ship was given to the Royal Dutch Navy from the US, and it was the 8th of December they took it in use, but only 6 months later they already decommissioned it. They built a lot of these class of ships, and this is the Dockham class. Unfortunately, because they built so many, it was built quick, the quality wasn't that good. And because it wasn't designed that well, it went a lot of from in-service, out-service, in-service, out-service. In 1977, the ship undergoes a little bit of modernization because the bridge deck that you see here was not closed off. It was an open deck. So in 1977 they built a closed bridge deck on it. I'm now in the engine room. I can't understand a word of what I'm saying because the noise here is horrendous. But it smells like natural and like a lot of really good stuff. And we're on our way. I was just in the engine room. I talked about a few things. I don't know if you were able to hear me, but that it was so much fun. It was a noise, the noise that you now hear on the background. That was what I heard inside. So it's like ridiculously hard, but it's so impressive to see. And it's just nice that this history, because it's just floating history, that is still around. So we're now at almost out of the port, and it's a bit different from a cruise ship that I'm used to. It's a bit more rocking. That's what I'm talking about, but it's also a lot of fun. We're now sideways on the waves, so the ship is going like this, and maybe you see it because my image is stabilized, but I'm not. So if I'm moving a bit, that's why. In 2016, the Naaldwijk also had a small part in a movie. It was the movie Dunkirk, and it played a British warship with code J22. The Naaldwijk, its main job was sweeping mines. And the whole ship is built of wood. The construction is of aluminium to give it some support. But why is the ship of wood? The ship was of wood because it needs to be anti-magnetic. That's why the ship also have a lot of precautions. It has like a double exterior. So if something would explode, then you would have the outer layer that is broken, and you can still sail on with the interlayer. You see the second Maasvlakte, so it means we're nearing the port of Rotterdam, and then we're gonna sail in, and eventually we'll arrive at Rotterdam. We're now going to sail by one of the Dutch Delta works that is for the protection of the Netherlands against the water, because we live with a lot of water, and it's through like big swinging doors that slide open into the waterways, and then they sink themselves, and they can keep off until 5 meters of water, and they only been used once. The water was 3 meters high. We're almost there. It's a bit windy, as you can hear, but it's beautiful weather. The sun is shining. We were almost at the city center of Rotterdam while we came across another former marine vessel. As we approach the dock, we are at the end of this journey, but there's more to come. See you at part 2.